Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to answer to a very popular question. The question is it possible to trade without any indicators? And I will answer you, yes, of course. If you find a very good currency pairs and you can notice really good patterns, and of course if you're a professional trader. But if you're a beginner, you should watch this video till the end, because after watching this video you can understand how the different patterns works on this platform, and maybe you can understand also how to trade on different situation on this chart, maybe such as downtrend, uptrend, or maybe even a flat line. So you see here Great Britain pound and you see dollar, and you have this downtrend. And what's about this currency? It should be the same. And yes, it's the same because the US dollar is in this currency pair. And what about other currency pairs? For us, it's also important to search for some different situations, because I want to tell you about the market and how it works. So I have chosen this currency, but if what we have else euro and Switzerland franc, and this pair can be also interesting for us because we can have their absolutely different situation. So open up this pair and delete this one, because here the situation is not so clear, and I have also already a downtrend with the previous two pairs. So I think that I will trade with these currencies, and I think that during our trading session I can choose some currencies to show you different situations, and we can and when you see this really downtrend, really confident in downtrend, and you notice some volatility of the price and some patterns, it's the chance to enter the game. So I here, and I want to trade with $50, and from this point be ready for call option right now. So, well guys, and we're in profit, because it's so important to see the patterns. When you notice some volatility, even on a downtrend, call option can be really great idea. So, you just should carefully and thoroughly analyze the pattern, and you see really successful trade without any indicators also is possible. And let's go and check some other situation in the market. For example, let's go to euro Switzerland franc. Here I want to show you absolutely different situation, and here the first thing that you should pay attention to is this long shadow under this candle. This is not so good. That means that volatility is rather higher, and here we can notice a flat line. So how to trade in a flat without any indicators here? My advice to you is to switch the time frame. Here can you see this flat, when you see this flat line, just switch to a smaller time frame. For example, you switch to 30 seconds candles, you can notice that here the situation is rather different, and you can see the same patterns. Now you see the price is going down, and here I want to make one more trade also in 1 minute, but with $85, very good investment I think, and from this point be ready for call option right now. You see this profit, and it was an amazing decision to switch to 30 seconds time frame, because these more rapid candles allow me to make more precious decisions. So you see, when I see the smaller periods time frame, I can see the full picture of the patterns, and I can see how the price is moving, and I can make a really good decisions. So we can make a really amazing result, and all trades are winning, and you see that all this is happening without any indicators. We just need to follow the rules of technical analysis, and let's get back to Great Britain pound and US dollar. We haven't traded here yet, and as you know, I will switch to 30 seconds candles. I feel that I want to continue trading here with this time frame, because you see, in that way the situation is much more interesting. Here also I can notice a pattern that I wouldn't be able to see without these candles, 30 seconds candles. And let's make a trade with $170, and now be ready for put option right now. So amazing result. Again, you see how important it is to follow the patterns. And I think that it is the first thing that you should understand, how to follow the patterns. And if you know how to do this, you can trade even without any indicators. So I think that this video is very important to watch for all traders, for beginners and for professional traders, of course. And here I think I want to switch back to 1 minute candles because they're much more slowly, and you see that this kind of situation is a little bit different, but it's not so bad too. We can notice that these candles are confidently falling down, and I want to make one more trade exactly on this chart. So you see all trades either here without any indicators, and what's more, guys, I want to remind you about my Telegram channel where you can find a lot of useful tools and signals for own profitable trades. The link will be under this video. And let's continue on this candle that is starting to be rather volatile. I want to make one more trade with $310, and remember that the bigger you invest, the bigger profit you will have from your trade. And now be ready for call option right now. So amazing patterns again. I think that I got pretty good entry point when the price was pretty low, and from this point when I entered this deal, the price went up, and that's amazing. I think that you see I started just from $50 today, and I managed to increase my investment 10 times. So I think I did a really good result, but I wouldn't stop there. Let's make more money today. Let's go to the third currency, euro and Brazilian franc. I'm really interested in this situation here, and yes, guys, it's an excellent situation when the price is going high very confidently, and this really rapid green candle. So can you notice it? The price went up very rapidly, and that's why the period of correction is happening now. So now I want to trade with $560, which is an awesome investment, and from this point be ready for call option right now. Amazing result, and I think I got a pretty good entry point again. The period of correction has started, and now this flat line is happening. So on this flat line I managed to gain my profit, and look at my balance, more than $1,000 right now, and I think it's an excellent result. All these results I do without any indicators. And you see, guys, it's really possible for everyone. Let's go to the second currency, and here I want to make a really huge trade, but you see the volatility here is rather big. I think that I will wait for some time and go to Great Britain pound and US dollar. Let's see, maybe here the situation will be better, and here it's a kind of better, but also the wicks are too volatile. So that's why maybe we will switch back to first second candles. And here on this lower time frame, situation will be different, and you see the slow wicks are also remaining here. It can be really dangerous. I think I want to repeat to you that if you see a really dangerous situation, it's better for you to wait and trade just with a small amount of money. So here I want to trade just with $100 because no one knows how the price will behave itself in this unpredictable and volatile market. So here be ready for put option right now. So guys, it's excellent result, and we've seen this time we're in profit, but you see the situation can be risky, very risky, because when you see such long shadows, it's better for you to wait. At this time our trade was risky, but just to be honest, I was ready to lose this money. If you see this really volatile situation, you see now the price is going in up direction, because the market is always changing. So the situation was rather risky. So let's go back to euro and Brazilian franc and see how situation is going there. So his situation is much more comfortable because price is going in up direction. Pretty good situation for me. That's why here I want to trade with $1,000 and same on this time frame, and now be ready for call option right now. Excellent result again. I'm in the profit. So I really love trading here on this comfortable uptrend because it is really low risk and it's a kind of reliable. So that's why, guys, I definitely recommend to trade when you see such a good uptrend. It's really good signal for you. But look at the percentage of payout. I really don't like it. That's why it's more convenient to trade with fixed currency pairs. And I think I want to choose some more currency because here the percentage of payout has fallen too much. I will delete this pair and I want to choose some more currency pairs. Maybe this one. Euro Japanese money percentage of payout here is rather big. Situation was really risky, but you see now situation is changing. And we can notice some patterns. I think I will do a trade here and I'll pin up this pair and I want to trade here. So with $1,000, now it's a half of my wallet and I'll be ready for call option right now. So guys, well, amazing results, very good profit, and you see close to $3,000 in my account. I think it's an exciting result. And if you want to have the same results, just follow the second channel where you can find a lot of profitable signals for your own trades. So I want to continue. I want to do one more trade, but let's carefully choose the currency pair that we will trade with. Let's go to the second one because here I want to make a really cool trade with big money. And here situation is rather nice because now the candles are going up and up, and pretty good situation. From this point I want to trade with $2,000, so be ready for call option right now. So awesome results. You see how comfortable it can be trading here on this uptrend. I think that I even will do one more trade on this chart because you see the price is going up and up very confidently, and you see without any indicators, I just see the trend and I see it's upward. It's an upward trend and I can notice some patterns that allow me to make and to take the right decision. So on this pretty amazing chart I want to do one more trade, but this time I want to do it with half of my wallet. So recently I traded with $2,000 and now I want to make my investment the same. I want to trade with half of my wallet and now be ready for call option right now. So friends, this situation was rather risky, but we're in the profit again because trading on downtrend is really profitable. You just should follow the trend and the patterns. And guys, I think that by this video I proved to you that it's possible to earn money, to earn pretty good money without any indicators. So you see I made $6,000 from $50. I think it's really pretty good result. And guys, if you want to have the same result, just follow my Telegram channel where you can find a lot of interesting and useful information for your own profitable trades. So guys, always keep in profit. See you in the next video and bye bye.